Hi everyone, this is Rain, and right now we're trying to book an appointment for a grocery store while in full lockdown here in Kuwait. And this is how you book an appointment when your civil ID doesn't match your current address. First, we go to Mosie's shop. Okay, click the link. Okay, put it in English. It's in English. Civil ID, put in your civil ID number. Your civil ID serial number. Okay, load the information. Email address. I'll pick shopping during morning hours and then booking destinations, cooperative societies. Choose the market. Now this is the one. Instead of using my civil ID information, I'm gonna use my address doesn't match my civil ID info. Now I have to put my address auto number. Your address auto number means it's your PATSI number. Your PATSI, you could find it in front of your door or in front of your building. Your address will be updated to Igala district or whatever district you are or wherever your district is. For your information, the maximum times for changing for address is 2 times only. Are you sure? Yes. Updating your address. So now you're going to choose the co-op. Lulu Igala, 8 o'clock. Booking confirmation. So I got my QR code. So I'm gonna go on Thursday 21 at 8 a.m. in Lulu Hypermarket Igala. And we're done. That's how easy to book a grocery appointment by just using your PATSI address. So now we're going to Lulu Igala, which is just like 5 minutes away from our house. See you later. So this area is here. Actually, all this mall is walkable from our house. This is by Rock Mall. And that's Lulu.
Yo, good morning everybody. We just got to Lulu Center. Our appointment is at 8 a.m. and we are gonna go shopping. Dude, where's all the chips? Here's all the beer. Gotta have that NA beer.
We just get done grocery shopping. And what can you say about it?
It was good. It was not too crowded. It was a little bit more crowded than normal, but we got through. We're okay, and I got a bunch of eggs.
That's the main thing. We just went for an eggs.
And then
61 KD.
And then we spent like $200.
We just went for eggs. Sorry, can't book an appointment until waiting. 6 days from last appointment. Your last appointment was on 5/14.
Oh, that's true.
When did we have an appointment?
5/14.